Trying to 3D model is a pain in. Oh, hey, I didn't see you there. Hi. And I still can't see you because you're behind the screen. I control screens. Screens are everywhere. I'm screen slaver now, and I'm gonna get beat up because I'm the pizza guy being controlled. So hello everyone. Just doing this little video for like no reason at all. Has no purpose or nothing, no background music, because I want myself to sound as bland and professional as possible. And god dang it, I've already made that joke before. Anyway, so yeah, I'm gonna be trying to 3D model in Blender. No, not psyched for this at all. Well, I mean, like, I kind of am, but it's a shame how I can't get the symmetry right on these ears, and how one of them wanted to act right, but the other one doesn't. And so what got me, like, I always loved animating. I usually use Cinema 4D, but I was like, you know what? Maybe I can try to learn Blender one more time. The first time I failed, the second time I failed, the second time it was like when Alex was trying to teach Glamrock Freddy in X-Men how to make a cobblestone generator, and then he oofed it up, and she was like, fail, and he was pretty much distraught until Cursed Roxanne went into the room, which is strange. But hey, I mean, like, who am I to judge? It's his YouTube channel, you know, he does what he wants on it. This looks stupid. I hate this. Why am I incompetent? Hey, it's my first model, so now people can't make fun of me. Yay. Probably still won't stop people, but hey. God dang it, I spent like 2 minutes trying to fix this ear. And it's just space mesh. You know, it's a base mesh, yeah. It's a rough kind of sketch thing. If fish can live underwater, then so can I. And everyone knows how that went.
I'm not gonna give up yet. If fish can live underwater, then so can I.
Yeah, that clip, yeah. I don't really want to be like her, do I? No, not only is she old, but she's like, well, she was old. Yeah, should I stop talking? Yeah, I'm gonna stop talking. I mean, I'm just not gonna talk about that, because this video would be boring and pointless if I weren't to talk, am I right? Oh, dang. I heard a cough. Does that mean you'd prefer it if I didn't talk? Well, I don't care. Anyway, yeah, so I'm trying to 3D model, and it's dumb. It's dumb. This is so dumb. I hate 3D modeling already. But hey, I mean, practice makes perfect, right? It definitely doesn't make, like, emotional torture if you, like, fail or nothing. Yeah, I'm saying that off experience. I have, like, experience of having no experience. That sounds so stupid. But yeah, I just found this turnover sheet and I was like, you know what? If fish can live underwater, yeah, I'm tired of that joke. I'm not tired of this joke, but I'm pretty sure all of you are. And well, you're the ones watching, so yeah. So yeah. So yeah, 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 dang, why is Blender glitch out like that for me. Alright, doop, John 3D model is garbage. Probably not even gonna be able to put this in the Gmod because I don't know how to port or nothing. And stuff. Yeah, can someone please help me on the class with that? Because I really want to know how to port, but I don't know where to learn or where to begin. And I've been trying to I even tried to read to see how to do that, but I had no luck. I literally tried to read. Yeah, it said no child ever in this generation or whatever. Please give me some comments of encouragement, because I hate myself and I hate this model. Because I hate it, and that's all you need to know. Finally, lunchtime, bro, you freaking fat. Oh Jesus, no. Boom, 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 boom. Here we go, on the rails, and you know it's time to brace ourselves. It's freedom like you never knew. I suck at singing, and I forgot the lyrics in a flash. You can say my hat is off to you. Yeah, I suck at singing, I know. Please don't. I don't need those type of comments. I mean, technically I need all comments. And also, I just want to say, my channel isn't that big, but hey, I am grateful. I am grateful for all of you who have made this possible. I'm grateful for Thanksgiving, apparently. And also, I'm grateful for FNAF, because if it wasn't for FNAF, well, where would my channel be? Pretty much every single video I did was based off of FNAF. Oh, well, that entire row there, I mean, wait, okay, but I'm sure there's nothing else. Stop it! Well, most of my channel consists of nothing but FNAF, because I said so. And, well, FNAF is my favorite game of all time. It's the best game series ever, so yeah. Unless, someone else has something to say. Yeah, I didn't freaking think so. No one else had anything to say about it, alright? No one freaking cares about you, Elden Ring. Okay, you know what? Sonic, you're a worthy fight. You really are. You know what? So are you. Okay, you know what? Mario, FNAF, and Sonic are my 3 favorite game series. You know, fine, freaking fine. There, you two guys, God, Jesus. You know what? Just let me just sculpt. I'm not gonna talk about any games before I freaking clog up my CPU and stuff. Well, not really CPU, because I'm kind of doing this on the laptop. I do all my videos on a laptop. It's probably why, that's why all my videos are laggy, if you were wondering. Well, not all of my videos, even this one's laggy. You know what, it's fine. It's definitely fine. You guys are still gonna, like come on my channel every day to see if I did something new, right? What? No one does that? Okay, well, I mean, I guess Roxanne's just gonna come to your house with a gun. She's already gotten rid of Freddy, so you might wanna subscribe there, wouldn't you? Yeah, you might wanna subscribe. I had a peanut butter sandwich earlier. Does anyone remember that video with Joker smacking his lips? And then Batman's like, oh, stop that. Knock it off. I had a peanut butter sandwich earlier. And literally no one cares. Stop smacking your lips in front of me. Bruh, I am in a deadly battle with you. I am literally fighting a sociopath like every night. And you're smacking your lips, making this not serious or epic whatsoever. And then you come up with the excuse, I had a peanut butter sandwich earlier. No, I hate you, sir. That is like the biggest crime you have ever committed. You smacked your lips in front of me. Do you know who I am? I am Batman. And I can have you arrested. Jim Gordon's my pet. That's why he eats my homework. Oh yeah, by the way, how was your homework today? 'Cause like if you're like in school or something, 'cause what is today? What is today supposed to be? Oh, hey, would you look at that? It's Thursday. Go to school. You're probably wondering, see, Fox, what are you doing not in school? And why are you 3D modeling? Are you on a school device? No. And why I'm at school? Well, the answer is because I don't want to. And because no. School system is rigged, but I don't want to get into that. But most of my fans most of my kind of fans aren't really gonna watch this video, I'm pretty sure, because, well, I mean, it's kind of different. You know, I know it'll solve everything. Hey guys, I'm gonna be doing something different today. That's usually what most YouTubers say when they're like, yeah, I'm gonna be doing something different today. It's my window, and I can't stand the rain because I'm Missy Elliott, baby. I'm Missy Elliott, baby. Although that was like not Missy Elliott who said that in that video. She wasn't even in that video, actually, I'm pretty sure. You're probably wondering also, hey, where'd the accent come from? Well, that's because I told you I want to sound as bland and professional as possible. Told you that. If you would have just listened, this wouldn't have been an issue if you just wouldn't have stayed home from school. Or is probably watching this. At school! Yeah, I'm pretty much just yelling at people to go to school, even though that I don't go to school, like, at all. Ever. Never, 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 never. That's because, unlike you, I don't have, like, restraining parental supervision, okay? I have kind of laid back, you know? Like, I'm the lucky one here. My mom is laid back. My mom lets me play with knives. I'm joking. No, she would literally never forgive herself if she let me play with knives. I love your moms, because And also, don't be all mad and stuff when you gotta take care of her one day, because she went through a lot to bring into this world. Like, and you're probably like what? I don't know, maybe like maybe at least 10 hours of pain just trying to bring you here so you can spit in her face when you're a teenager and say, "It's my life, Mom." Yeah, just love your moms. That's all. I hate, I hate, I hate this software so much. And it's either you, and if you're an animator, it's either you love Blender or you hate it because you're stupid. And to be honest, I fall into the second category. I hate it because I'm stupid at this. I'm freaking stupid as a person. Seriously, seriously. I'm just joking. I could probably fix your like kindergarten math homework. Yeah, just joking. I'm not actually dumb. Or am I? Are people actually dumb, or do they just think differently than smart people? That's a question. Like, a halfway important question. Oh, no, so I don't want the light. Leave me alone. Because, and by the way, this is exactly why I don't just use, the no texture view or the wireframe view, because, well, you probably already know this, but, God, this looks like a furry Powerpuff Girl from the side of God. It'll all look better. What I'm gonna do about that, though, but, hey, everything is fine. Yeah, I'm fine. I'm totally fine because, well, I don't know what I'm doing, but hey, at least I'm learning.
I'm not fine. I'm not fine.
Hey, you said that you could have my face.
Alright, so, yeah, I'm fine, everyone. I'm fine. I'm not emotionally dying or nothing. I'm fine. Alright, yeah, are we done now? What? No? I still have to do this 3D modeling video? Oh, well, freaking frick you, Sarah the secretary. You're gonna die in a car crash. Uh, oh, what's that? Oh, oh, there are people watching? Oh, oh, hello, little children. Welcome to my Minecraft Let's Play. Hello, everybody. My name is Spring Bunny. Welcome to my Minecraft Let's Play. X-Man should totally make that a video. Spring Bunny's Minecraft Let's Play. I'm not giving up yet. If fish can live underwater, then so can I. I'm so freaking stupid. My brother's right. I am stupid. Thank you for making me realize that I am dumber than I think.
You're welcome. I can make anyone realize anything.
No, you can't.
Well, you suck.
Oh, well, that's because you are fat. I am fine. I am totally fine. God dang it! Why the frick did I make the arm so buff? Dang! Am I making Funtime Fox your Bane? What the frick? God, no! Lower! No! No! Oh my God! Please don't make that a model. Someone, please, model is. Please stay back. We already have Buff Helpy, and we didn't even need that. I actually dread looking at that thing ever. Please don't make that a thing. Please. 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 Please don't. I'm literally begging you. Don't. Make it a better place for you and for me and the entire human race. There are people dying if you care enough for the living. There are people dying because they have to look at Stay Puft Marshmallow Man. What the heck is wrong with this stupid thing? Heal your mom. Bye bye. Heal your mom. Bye bye. What if I just left the? Oh my! What if I just left the arms like this, and just left off the paws and stuff? What if I just? Hey guys, I'm Funtime Foxy. I'm. What is this? We've already established I suck at 3D modeling. I'm ugly and I'm proud. That is Funtime Foxy right now. Although he's not really proud, he's not going to be called out for any more encores after this plastic surgery. That's why you should stay away from liposuction. What is wrong with me today? I don't know what. I can't do anything today. My brain is stupid today. I don't know what's going on today. I don't know. Today. It's so... Alright, Okay. By the way, do any of you guys watch Muppets? I am fine. I am totally fine. I will stand on the side as you shine. Luigi not fine. Luigi not fine. Bye bye. I'm fine. Bye bye. Green beans and mashed potatoes. Bye bye. It tastes like dinner. It's a full course meal. What's for dessert? Here it comes, baby. It's watermelon. A seedless watermelon. What's happening to your skin? My skin is clear, baby.
The skin is green, bitch.
You know, it's supposed to turn, yeah.